So I'm going to be talking about one of those other 90 to 120 cycle things we have in our body, which I've been talking about with the brain and rest cycle, the REM cycle, the hunger wave, the second wind cycle. So these are the smaller cycles that we have, some of them in our biology. So it's the migrating motor complex, or MMC, and it's the fasting housekeeping wave driven partly by motilin, which is a peptide. It only occurs when the digestive system is undisturbed by nutrients for 90 to 120 minutes. So again, that 2-hour wave. Many modern eating patterns unintentionally suppress it. Together they form a brain-gut fasting loop. The gut signals clearing, which is motilin, and then the brain signals feeding, ghrelin. So these waves, ebb and flow. So motilin pulsates, just like the ultradian rhythms I was talking about, like cortisol, temperature, melatonin, stuff like that, and flatten when the fed state becomes continuous. So it's not about eating too much, it's about frequency. So spacing out meals still every 4 to 5 hours is ideal, because then you do get that housekeeping effect. And it's interesting because the Greeks, the 2,500 years ago, the Greeks suspected that when you hear your stomach growling, it's actually cleaning itself. So again, I just think it's so amazing that they intuitively and just somehow figured out that that was probably the case, and now it is correct. So I think that's just really cool. All right, talk to you later. Bye for now.